All right, after fitting some bulbs that were absolutely rubbish, not mentioning any names there, these bulbs here, factory, the Passat ran a Philips Zen Start. I will be putting in some Osram Cool Blue Intense. There's the authentic QR code there. We'll be popping them into the front of the Passat right now, and hopefully they're a lot better than these. These were about half as good as these. Yeah, I've got a video review on that. You can watch that just to see how terrible they are. These should be good.